Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, it's built. The engine paint ain't worth a hoot. I never seen engine paint have primer, but it's yellow and black. The yellow is good for, let me see, how much was it? Let me see here. Yeah, of course it'd be Rust-Oleum brand. 600 degrees. And the other one, the black, was 1500 degrees. It sits the way I wanted it to sit. I wanted it to sit back, you know. I didn't want it to sit up. There's no way it can fall over. No way. Now, when it's on the feet, I can slide it around. Because I tell you, I had to roll that thing over. I almost had it upside down using a 2-ton Harbor Freight chain winch. So, don't judge me on the paint job. It's just a fire pit. It's probably going to turn black anyways. So let me show you what it looks like now. Like I say, don't judge me on the paint. That paint just went on not worth nothing. I don't know, it could be the temperature. It's not exactly the right temperature to paint anything. But I will admit, it does look better than it did. And that feet, I had to crank my welder up to 120 amps. I've never had to weld anything at that amperage. But I even found, what this may seem, I found a model number to this bucket. I'm going to look that up. It'd be funny to find out this came off a backhoe, but I kind of had to doubt it. But, yeah. I got a weight pole in the middle, so if any water gets in there, it'll run out. That tooth I thought was torn loose. It was actually still welded, but it is missing a tooth. So, tell me in the comments what you think about this thing. So, another thing about this bucket is what it costs. No, oh, there's some paint I forgot to get. Ha! I'll get it. But here's the deal. Total cost, with the exception of the electric and some of the rods. I use a lot of welding rods on this. Materials, already had it. Paint cost me $30. The bucket cost me $133. So I got what? $163 in this. Tell me, can you build anything like this that's made out of 1/2-inch steel plate, which I had a hard time drilling one hole in the middle. It took me 15 minutes to drill that hole using oil to cool down the drill bit. So you tell me, what do you think? And I'll see you next time on Lynn's Homestead.